Your parents never told you about these creatures. They are virtually indestructible, defying all known limits. Your parents never told you about these creatures. They are virtually indestructible, defying all known limits. Meet the tardigrades, microscopic marvels of survival, also known as water bears or moss piglets. These tiny invertebrates measure less than 1 millimeter, yet they endure conditions fatal to most life. Discovered in 1773 by German zoologist Johann Goeze, later named tardigrade, meaning slow stepper, by Spallanzani. Tardigrades possess 8 stumpy legs with claws. Their segmented bodies resemble a miniature bear.
They inhabit diverse environments, from oceans to mountaintops.
Algae habitats for them.
They primarily feed on plant cells, algae, and bacteria.
Some larger species even prey on smaller tardigrades. Their most astonishing ability is called cryptobiosis. This metabolic state allows extreme environmental tolerance. They curl into a ton, expelling almost all water. Special proteins like trehalose protect their cells. They can survive desiccation for over 30 years. Even complete dehydration fails to destroy these animals. This state effectively halts their biological clock. Tardigrades withstand incredible temperature extremes. They survive freezing to -272 degrees Celsius. Boiling to 150 degrees Celsius also poses no threat. Radiation levels, thousands of times human lethal dose. They endure pressures 6 times deeper than ocean trenches. In 2007, they were sent into outer space. Vacuum and solar radiation did not kill them. Their DNA has unique repair mechanisms. They also possess specialized proteins for protection. Dsup, or damage suppressor, shields DNA from radiation. Horizontal gene transfer contributes to their resilience. They incorporate foreign DNA from bacteria and fungi. This genetic mosaicism enhances their survival toolkit. Research into Dsup protein holds medical potential. Tardigrades demonstrate life's incredible adaptability. They offer insights into astrobiology and extreme life. Their unique biology inspires novel scientific applications. Future space missions might carry Dsup for protection. Understanding cryptobiosis could aid organ preservation. These tiny beings redefine what life can endure. Tardigrades truly are the ultimate survivors on Earth. Tardigrades truly are the ultimate survivors on Earth. Their resilience pushes the boundaries of biological understanding. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the microscopic world.